Let's draw an ice cream. A big round scoop. Your turn. A little scoop on top. The cone, down and up. Close the cone. A cherry. Its little stem. Great job! Let's draw a juicy apple. Curve down this side. Your turn. Now the other side. A little stem. A green leaf. One eye. Two eyes. A yummy smile. Great job! Let's draw a slice of pizza. A big cheesy triangle. Your turn. A round, crunchy crust. One yummy pepperoni. Two. Three. Four, all done. Great job! Let's draw a donut. A great big circle. Your turn. A little hole inside. Wiggly pink icing. A sprinkle. Another one. One more. Keep going. Last sprinkle. Great job! Let's draw a lollipop. A big, big circle. Your turn. Swirly swirl. The stick. About this side. And that side. Great job! Let's draw a sweet cupcake. that gets smaller. Your turn. Bumpy swirly frosting. A cherry on top. One eye. Two eyes. A sweet little smile. Great job!